Oh. Well, thank you. Welcome. It says your name is Judah?
Yes.
Well, nice to have you on the
What's
show.
up, Jerry? I love you.
There you go.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, have some more. It'll help your hair
Oh,
grow.
just a little bit.
Yeah. There you go. So what's going on?
It's my best friend in the whole world.
Oh.
It's my best friend.
Oh, so you know.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Yeah.
Only person who's ever respected me the way I respect myself, or want to.
Yes.
Honestly, if you don't mind, I'd like to use this opportunity to say something to him.
Sure, go ahead, please.
But baby boo, you know I love you. But baby boo, you know I love you. I'm just trying to do what real couples do. I just want to get a little naked peekaboo. Baby, I don't want nobody else but you. So Jerry Springer, he let me come on national TV to tell you all you mean to me. I don't want nobody, baby, will you marry me?
Oh. You don't know where that's been.
Can't believe you did this for me. Yes, of course.